This is the afternoon weather briefing. This is for Monday, the 16th of September. This is James Spann. Alabama's weather fairly quiet today. Got a few spotty showers over west and south Alabama, not many. And the weather for the rest of the week looking fairly calm. Tropics, relatively quiet too. Let's go right to the radar. We are live at 2:47 this afternoon. And you can see a few spotty showers over parts of Dallas, Wilcox, Marengo, Greene, Sumter, Choctaw counties in west Alabama. Nothing especially heavy. And they're slowly moving to the northwest. The northern part of the state is dry. From Tuscaloosa north and west, nothing happening there. Let's go down south to Mobile, and you can see some more meaningful showers and thunderstorms there through parts of Washington, Mobile, and Baldwin counties. And these are not moving that much. Had a pretty impressive waterspout today down at Dauphin Island. You'll see that here in just a second. Here's the big picture, the water vapor satellite imagery, a little feature coming in off the Atlantic. Got a deep upper low this over Northern California. And there's the radar composite this afternoon, again showing those spotty showers in parts of west and southwest Alabama. Temperatures are mostly in the 80s, although it's 78 in Ashland, 79 for Cullman. Huntsville, one of the warm spots, they've got 86 because they have the most sun. Montgomery at 79, Mobile 84, Dothan 80. Flash flood watches in effect for the eastern half of North Carolina and eastern Virginia, with our feature coming in off the Atlantic. Also, the chance of a few isolated tornadoes there through this evening. Also, a couple of risks far to the north and west. Tomorrow, we have a risk of severe storms from New Mexico and the Texas Panhandle up to the Canadian border. And on day 3, which is Wednesday, no organized severe weather expected across the country. Here's the rain for the next 7 days, and for North Alabama, basically nothing. And again, we'll have the chance of these spotty showers over South Alabama through Wednesday, but even there, nothing especially heavy or widespread. And the tropics are really pretty calm, considering the fact this is the 16th of September. On this date in, on this date in 2000, we had 2010, we had Hurricane Sally, 2020. You can tell it's a Monday. My brain is not functioning right. 4 years ago, Hurricane Sally, 2020. And then in 2004, 20 years ago, we had Hurricane Ivan. Both came in on this date. Those were pretty rough. Ivan was an upper end Category 3. Sally was a Category 2. Ivan was very destructive. Sally just did not want to move. So we can have some pretty brutal tropical weather this time of the year. But again, all we got is that little feature that's on the coast of the Carolinas in Gordon, which is a depression. Here's a look at the 7-day. And other than that, no issues across the Atlantic basin. The little feature on the coast of the Carolinas, this is potential tropical cyclone 8. And it's really a hybrid. It's not a classic warm core tropical system. And that thing will be moving in this afternoon, probably without getting a name, and I think that's the right call. The winds are 40 miles per hour. It's very disorganized, but it's producing just a lot of rain. Some major flooding for parts of eastern North Carolina with that. And Gordon is a tropical depression, hanging in there like a hair in a biscuit. And if it survives, it's going to turn north, head out to the open Atlantic, far from land, no threat to any landmass. And again, the rest of the Atlantic basin very calm. So model fans, here we go, the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow afternoon at 4, big trough in the west. Little upper feature drifting in from the Atlantic, not too far from here. And again, for us tomorrow, much like today, the northern half of the state dry, a chance of scattered showers for South Alabama. High should be in the 80s. Really the same thing on Wednesday. Showers still possible, probably not many over South Alabama. The northern counties are dry. Thursday, we're dry statewide. Highs in the 80s. Friday, a sunny day. No problems for high school football this week. Should be a dry night, pleasant night. What about the weekend? Saturday, rain-free. Sunny and warm, highs in the upper 80s. And the same thing on Sunday. Mid to upper 80s, lots of sun, no rain. Here's a week from today. This is Monday, September 23rd. Got a 588 ridge in place, sinking air. And again, we're dry. Let's keep going. Let's go out 10 days. This is Thursday, the 26th of September. You can see this 591 upper high over the southeastern states, and if that's right, we are still warm and we are still dry. And we do note the GFS depicting a tropical-type low down in the Gulf of Mexico, far, far south of the Florida Panhandle, and it drives it into Mexico. But again, this feature might not even be there at all. But as always, it's something to watch. This is rain for Birmingham through October 1st. And you can see the mean is under 1 inch. We're dry at least for the next 7 to 10 days, maybe a little bit late this month. Temperatures coming off the national blend of models, highs in the 80s, lows in the 60s, right on through September 26th. All right, let's see. That's yesterday's. Let's come in here real quick and see if the new graphic is in, and it is. And we're going to drop it in here, and you'll see it change on your screen. So there we go. This is the 8 to 14-day guidance for September 24th through September 30th. Issued a couple of minutes ago. And again, temperatures a little above average if this verifies. I'll show the water spout in just a second. First off, hey, we got a couple of Children's of Alabama Kid Cam stops today. The little ones here at Canterbury Day School in Mountain Brook. I like it. Let me tell you what, they really knew a lot about weather. It was really amazing. And I got a box full of goodies here. Whoa, that's a bonanza. Goodness gracious. I like that. But they were just great today. Let me tell you what, they know so much about weather. Absolutely amazing. But to all the teachers and those young folks at Canterbury Day School in Mountain Brook, good to see you. And then stop number 2, the 3rd grade. Yeah, most of you know I'm kind of partial to 3rd graders. Deer Valley Elementary School in Hoover. Oh, yeah, they were pumped. You can learn science and have fun on a Monday morning, and that's exactly what we did today. That was just a great, great group. How about these cookies? You know, I think those might be Taylor Swift-themed cookies. I don't know, but whatever. I'm looking cool in the lower right down there. That's outstanding. But we talked about different kinds of weather, how to stay safe during dangerous weather. Did a storm spotting session for these guys. They can help us out. So again, to all those amazing 3rd graders at Deer Valley, thanks a lot. You guys are looking good. And here's that water spout at Dauphin Island today. That's pretty stout. Wow. I don't know if this came in or produced any damage. That was earlier this afternoon, I think around the lunch hour between noon and 1 o'clock. And there was some rotation on radar with that thunderstorm that was just offshore. And again, that was Dauphin Island, Alabama earlier today. And here's the radar again coming out of Mobile and Baldwin counties. And you can see spotty showers and thunderstorms around, kind of moving erratically. And we'll quickly peek at the rest of the state. North Alabama dry. Got a few showers as far north as Sumter, Greene, Marengo, Dallas, Wilcox, and Perry counties. And again, the better chance of any showers will likely stay down there for the next couple of days. And then after that, we're dry statewide Thursday through the weekend. So, tomorrow, going to be up in Colbert County, Leeton Elementary School. Yeah, buddy. Looking forward to that. Wednesday, it's Gadsden, Donahue Elementary School. Thursday, Blount County, Hayden Elementary School. And then Friday, Tuscaloosa County, Lakeview Elementary School. And we have a book signing Saturday. And the book signing is going to be in Guntersville at Moody Brews. I like that. On Gunter Avenue, we're going to be there from 10:30 until 1:30 on Saturday. That's a great place, and we look forward to seeing everybody. So again, Guntersville, Marshall County, come on. First book signing we had in a while. Moody Brews, Gunter Avenue, 10:30 until 1:30. And don't forget this evening, it's Weather Brains, the weekly show for weather dweebs, geeks, nerds, dorks, and weenies. YouTube.com/weatherbrains. The show begins at 7 o'clock Central. We're going to be live from the National Weather Association annual meeting, which is going on now out in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. A lot of our folks are out there. And, of course, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.